beautiful is as beautiful does. Look what we got here for you again, boys. Another one of my personally built RC boats. It looks like a regular animal on the outside, but when we uncloak it and show you on the inside, it is something else. Come join us. Hi there, I'm Bill Oxidean. I raced radio control model boats for over 25 years. Over that time, I won a lot of races and broke a lot of records, and I learned a lot, not just about boats, but about life. Eventually, I graduated to full-size drag boats, and I've had a great time doing that. Now, I have my own RC boat factory. We make the world's fastest, most reliable radio control boats. Join us as we show you all about it. Oh yeah, what we've got here is a thing of beauty. I'll give you a little background insight on this boat. We shipped it to a customer in Australia, and we had no idea, but this gentleman had some very severe mental issues, which we actually feel bad for the gentleman because of this. Because of that, he went through a lot of changes, and he sent the boat back to us for no good reason. I mean, this thing is beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to make this boat my boat. Since this guy gave us such a hard time about it, I'm going to make this boat one of the most kick-ass animal twin cats that we have ever produced. And that's exactly what I've done here. I built this boat for myself to withstand everything I put a boat through, and I put a boat through a lot. We're going to do our classic voila. Take a looky here. Would you take a looky here? This boat is one of my tarantula boats that I did tarantula wiring on. And it has a complete Castle Creations system in it. It's got two Hydra 8S ESCs in it. It has two Castle 1520 1650 kV motors. OPS01L digital CNC high speed, high torque chromoly gear servo. Quasar talk GPS radio fully fitted and installed. Now, one thing I did on this boat that I find to be real nifty is I went with the sensor-based system. See that sensor harness covered with motor and going to the ESC? Those are sensors. I personally have a lot of experience with running sensor-based systems in RC boats. As some may know, and as many may be able to investigate and find out for themselves, I raced for a company called Team Novak Racing Electronics, for many years, for at least a decade. They actually introduced brushless systems to the RC world. Before them, there was a company called Aviox. Aviox actually made the first brushless motors for RC cars and boats. In fact, the first ones they made were really for boats and planes. And Aviox brushless motors, I bet they'd be worth some money now. But anyway, Bob Novak took on the brushless motor thing. And he's the one who introduced them to RC cars first. And he created all the regulations and rules for them. And Bob really believed in sensor-based systems. Sensor-based systems solved a lot for cars because with the sensors tell the ESC exactly what position the rotor is in. And so when the ESC gives a signal to the motor, it can give the correct signal for the correct position, and it can start better. If this ESC doesn't know the position of the rotor, it does something called cogging. It's like a little hesitation off the line. The Castle and many other systems have perfected this. There's not much cogging that goes on, but there is some. And the cogging typically happens in the lower ranges of RPM. So the Castle system, what they've done is they've made it so the sensors work in lower to mid range RPM. But when it gets to the higher RPMs, it lets the sensors go and lets the motor run wild. And that's why Castle's been so successful at speed run stuff, because they could just allow the motor to run warp speeds and warp RPMs by this proprietary system that they introduced. Now, ultimately, it's still going to go the same top speed, censored or not. But with the sensors, it actually just makes the ESC a lot happier. It doesn't have to struggle as much. It doesn't get as many bad signals. And what's beautiful is I use dielectric grease on the sensor harnesses, because your biggest issue with sensors in a boat is when they get wet, they don't want to work right. Well, Castle has overcome that, and with my added protection, that's just simply not a problem. If you'll notice, I included the boots and CNC high rake high speed props, CNC carbon fiber steering horn. Dear friends, this here boat is hot, okay? It's got a hot system in it. It's got stainless high rake props, GPS radio, everything. And the beauty of this boat is I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna get it hitting the number. And if you want to purchase this boat, simply give us a call or email us. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and continue enjoying radio control model boating. Bill Oxidean, Any Animal, over and out.